Hi everybody, it's Miles from Miles Ahead again, and today we're going to talk about flute head crown corks. This is the head joint of a flute, and up on this end of the head joint, that's where the head crown cork is. In your flute case, you should have a tuning rod, and the tuning rod should have a little mark on it that will help you gauge where the head crown cork should be. If you put the tuning rod in there, that little mark should be right in the center of the head joint. Typically what happens in a band room will be a player or your students, if you're a teacher, while they're sitting there, they may just inadvertently start turning the cap on the end of the head crown, on the end of the head joint, and that will move the cork. If they keep doing that over and over again, the cork will keep moving, and sooner or later the flute is going to play poorly because the cork is in the wrong position. It'll play very stuffy. It won't respond well. If a cork is very old, pretty soon the cork will become loose in the head joint. And here is a quick solution to solve that. You may be in your band class one day, and then all of a sudden the head crown cork may just fall out of the flute altogether. I've seen that happen more than once. Now the head crown cork should be very tight when it's in the head joint. Not overly tight, but I should not be able to pull it out like this. So if it's 5 minutes before your concert and your first flute player comes to you and says, "Mr. Band Director, my flute head cork just fell out. What do you do?" Here's how you make it big enough so it won't fall out again. Take a lighter and you light your cork. Now it's going to go up pretty easily, and it'll turn black. Incidentally, in the old days of vaudeville, that's what people used to put blackface on, was burnt cork. Okay? So now that I've burned the cork, you can see it's nice and black, and when it burns, it expands. So now I can slide it in back through the top of the head joint, and it's very tight now. It's nice and snug. In fact, I'm having a hard time getting it back in. Now it's back in, and I can loosen this and keep pushing it in and get it back in the right spot. I take my cleaning rod here with the gauge on it and line it back up in the middle of the blowhole on the head joint. We put it back in and give it a test. And you're good to go. And that's another tip from Miles Ahead Music. If you have any questions, give us a call at 502-479-3772. Thanks.